Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to talk to you about another set of Bluetooth headphones. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and check out my other reviews. You will notice that I do kind of have an issue with headphones. I'm obsessed with them, and so I do have a lot, and I've done a lot of reviews on various headphones. Well, my friends over at Dudios sent me a pair to review for them. They're not paying me for this, so it's, just they said, hey, here, have these. I've seen you've done a lot of headphone reviews, so check them out. The pair that I'm reviewing today is ZEUS. They're a Bluetooth water-resistant headphone. They go in the ear. You've probably seen me review a few of others like these in the past. They've got magnetic ends here. They've got the wing tips. And then the earpiece itself is just a soft rubber, which has been comfortable for me to wear for long periods of time. They kind of market for these headphones for music and games, and it does have a microphone built into the control panel here, so you can answer for calls if you so desire to do that. I'm not a big fan of doing that, but on the control panel, you can see you have the plus minus volume for increasing the sound or skipping a song, and then you got the on-off button in the middle. Right here is where you charge it. It's this little rubber wrap flap that kind of helps the water resistance. It has to be closed to maintain the water resistance, which can be a little tricky. Sometimes it's hard to get it to stay in there. But what else do you get with these headphones? So, you get the nice little box here, comes with instructions and then a little quick start guide. You get a bag full of extra and different size earpieces, and then also that comes in there are these cord management clips if you like to, if you want to clip them to your shirt. And then there's also another little cord manager to make them tight or whatnot. Then you get another bag full of extra wingtips if the ones that don't fit you are on the headsets, and then, or if you don't like the wings, they also include this kind of loop style one here, which will maybe fit your ear better. So you get lots of options. That's one thing I'll say that was impressive about the ZEUS headphones here is they gave you lots of ear attachment options. So if you're one of those that you always struggle with in-ear headphones, this may be a brand worth checking out, because I'm sure one of these attachments will probably fit. It also comes with a case, pretty straightforward, and then also inside the case is this kind of like keychain holder clip thing, which I'm not really sure why this was included, but it's there. So, like I said, the headphones, they've, after testing them out for a week, they sound great. I've had no problems with the Bluetooth dropping out or disconnecting from the phone. It was really easy to set up. My phone found it right away once I put it in pairing mode. They seem to have a decent range on them. I can leave my phone here in the living room or the kitchen and kind of wander around my house without having to worry about them dropping out. I haven't tested the water feature and everything, but they seem pretty solid, and I don't see very many openings on them. So if you are looking for another option for a affordable pair of Bluetooth headphones, I would be sure to check out the ZEUS. I'll put a link down below to Amazon. Feel free to read the other reviews, and like always, check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, you guys take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next review. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.